Welcome to EnableX. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through how to enable the co-browsing feature in your EnableX video low-code project. Log in to your EnableX account with your credentials. On the dashboard, click the Video button. Now, select your desired video project. Then, click the Settings icon under the Manage section. Navigate to the Features tab. In the Co-browsing section, toggle the switch to enable co-browsing. You can now add up to 10 web page URLs for co-browsing. Once done, click Save to apply your changes. And that's it! You've successfully enabled co-browsing in your EnableX video low-code project. Test co-browsing. Go to the My Low-Code tab. Copy the moderator code and paste it into your browser. Enter your name and click Join Now. Once inside the session, click the More Tools icon. Select Co-browsing. Choose one of the URLs you added earlier. Then click Start. The selected web page is now visible to your participants.